Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's get started with the beautiful dot mandala using vibrant colors in this 12-inch board. I'll start dotting in the center with white. Let me keep some dots in gold and yellow. I'll do some tiny dotting now. I'll keep some green dots. I'll keep some side swipes in green. I'll keep some white dots now. I'll keep some side swipes in yellow. I'll keep some side swipes in green. Let me keep some plumpy dots in white. Let me make these dots into swipes. Let me keep some white dots. Let me keep tiny dots in white. Let me keep some yellow dots. Let me keep some tiny dots. I'll keep some green dots now. I'll do some tiny dotting in green. Let me keep some dots in white. I'll keep some dots in yellow. I'll work the dots in yellow. I'll work the dots again in yellow. Let me keep some dots in green. I'll work the dots in green now. I'll work the dots again in green. I'll keep some plumpy dots in white. I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll keep some side swipes in yellow. I'm sure with this bright and vibrant color, this dot mandala is looking really beautiful. Thank you for watching this video.